All right, everybody. Today, quick video. So, if you know anything about this Ferraris, we know that the mechanism for the door handle constantly fails. The inside and the outside. What actually happens is that they rust. Well, traditionally they rust, and the mechanism just fails on the inside and outside. Lots of videos of people out there who get frustrated over not being able to open their doors. Today, of course, was our inspection. If you don't know about it, watch my other videos. So the inspector gets here, and I go to open the door, and the door won't open. And let's just... Oh my God, there's a fuel pump. Okay, so it worked just there. But when the inspector's here, the door would not open. And then, okay, I can hear it grabbing now. So now they seem to be working. But what actually happened was I went to go pull on the passenger side after fussing with the driver's side for a long period of time, and nothing. So I think the inside does work. So the inside does work. Outside, not so much. So I have at least one failed mechanism. Now, of course, we're going to be painting here where we did some repair damage on the fender. So the door panel, we're going to blend. So the door panel has got to come off anyway. So I'm going to come down here in 2 days. I'm going to take the inside door panel off. I'm going to fix the outside mechanism. But I think while I have it off, in the meanwhile, I think I might just fix all four. I'm just going to put new cables on all four latches. So crazy. It happened at the absolute worst time, and we had the inspectors sitting here literally waiting for me. We actually had to, and the windows were up. So I actually had to break into the car. And actually, let me look now. Let me see. So you can see this is, I don't know if you can see, there's some ruffling there, but this is actually where I had to go in there. And I don't think I damaged anything. But yeah, I literally had to break into my own car. Because for some reason, the door handles, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy. These Italian cars, they got a mind of their own. So evidently working now, and actually it seems to be working very, very good. But the last thing I want to happen is to be in a position where the handles fail and I literally cannot get into my car. One thing that a lot of people mention, specifically I think Rob Ferrari has a video recently where it was winter time and the car was in a garage and he was trying to get in, if I remember correctly, and he actually had to pour hot water on the handle just to warm up the cable, because I guess it had frozen. The lubricant, the grease was frozen, and he couldn't get into his car. But of course, we're in Georgia. It's literally like 90 degrees outside right now, and the car was outside at the time. So obviously that rules that out. And yeah, seriously, this is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm telling you, just a few minutes ago, that door would not open. And what we had to do was open it from the inside. And of course, you can see the passenger side. So the car worked flawlessly every single day, each and every day, not one problem. And then today, that side failed, and the driver's side did fail, but just seems to be working now. So we're gonna go and take the door panels off. I might attach it to this video. I might shoot a whole new video, but absolutely crazy. Very, very common on the Ferrari 360s. I think other models too. And this is literally blowing my mind, because literally this did not work just a few minutes ago. But anyway, that's the video today. Door handles failing. We're going to take it apart and put new door handles on, and that's all she wrote. So phenomenal. But I'm glad they're working now. We can get in and out of the car. We're going to leave the windows down just to be safe. Yeah, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for watching.